Hello everyone, in today's video we are diving into a crucial task for anyone managing inventory, segregating in-stock and out-of-stock products. Using Excel powerful filter array function, we will show you how to streamline your inventory management and keep everything organized. First, open your Excel sheet containing the product inventory list. Ensure you have columns for product name and quantity. Take your cursor to the first cell under the in-stock product column, type equal to filter. Within the bracket array, you need to choose the materials, that is from product to quantity, comma, and then in the include session you will be choosing the quantity followed by greater than 0. This formula filters the array to show only the products that are in stock. Now I want to know the out of stock names. For that I will be typing equal to filter. In the bracket, the array, you will be choosing the list of materials, then a comma, then include quantity, then type equal to 0. This will filter the array to show only the products that are out of stock. This you can save it for your future purpose. Assume that after few days, computer and electric kettle has become out of stock. So when you type 0, automatically it will get displayed in out of stock column. And similarly, if any out of stock product has arrived, that you can update in the material section and automatically it will show in stock column. So by using this simple yet effective method, you can keep your inventory up to date and ensure that out of stock items are promptly restocked. Stay organized, stay efficient, and happy managing.